Good morning, this is Sam Gurung from B22 Limited coming to you with this morning's market report. Date today is the 16th of July 2015. Let me start with Greece, which has been the main theme of our market reports as of late. Yesterday, Greek Parliament voted yes in favor of the agreement, which was passed on over the weekend by the creditors and Greek Prime Minister Tsipras in order to receive 86 billion euros worth of aid. Now, in the Greek Parliament, out of 300 members, 229 voted in favor, hence why it's gone through, with 71 voting no. Now, out of those 71, 29 were the members of Tsipras's Syriza party. Now, this may leave Tsipras with a minority government moving forward, relying on the opposition parties to pass through legislation, etc., etc. But for now, at least, the vote has gone through, and it seems like, or certainly the case, Greece will remain in the Eurozone. We still have a vote in German Parliament tomorrow for Germany to agree on the aid package, but the consensus is that it will go through. Now, what did that mean for the markets in general? Well, most of the news was already factored in. However, equities were up this morning in Europe. European equities up for a seventh day, its longest winning streak since January this year. US futures also up together with Asian shares overnight. In regards to the currency markets, Euro was slightly down. It actually fell against the dollar and its major counterparts. The main reason being is the shift in the fundamentals. So now the Greece debacle is over, markets focusing more on the fundamentals. So we've got the ECB continuing with the QE in the Eurozone. However, we've got economies like US looking to raise interest rate, UK looking to raise interest rate, and so therefore on the back of that, these currencies were stronger. Sticking to the currency theme, dollar seems to be the strongest currency, mainly benefited from Yellen's speech yesterday. Yellen, the Fed chairman, was testifying in front of Congress and also talking about the US economy. She basically painted a rosy picture in regards to the economic growth picking up in the US and reiterated that she sees interest rate going up by end of this year. It could come as early as September, which is in 9 weeks' time. So back of that, dollar actually was up 3-month high against its major peers. It was strongest in 6 weeks versus the euro, followed by pound, which has been strengthening on back of Carney's speech a couple of days ago, where again he hinted on interest rate increases. The general consensus at the moment is US will be the first major economy to raise interest rate by this year, UK following suit probably around about February, around about February 2016. Some saying that it could be even as early as November this year. Moving on to the economic calendar and main events for today, we've got the ECB interest rate decision at 12:45 UK time, followed by Draghi's monetary policy speech and Q&A 45 minutes later at 1:30. Now that could be key. The reason being is, with the Greece debacle out of the way, the markets are shifting its focus onto ECB and whether it will release emergency liquidity funds to Greece, which it desperately needs at the moment, particularly with the capital controls in place over the last 2 weeks and also banks shut. So therefore, on back of that, expect volatility for Euro when Draghi speaks, more than obviously before. That's pretty much it in regards to the news for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you very much.